In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history in Google Play Books. Begin by opening the Google Play Books app. Once inside, tap on the search box at the top of your screen and you'll see a list of your past searches. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option within this app to clear that history. Even if you tap on your profile icon at the top right and navigate into the settings, you'll notice there's no feature to delete your search history there either. I've tried various other methods, but none of them work for clearing just the history. The only effective way to remove your search history is by clearing the storage of your Google Play Books app entirely. Keep in mind, this will also remove any books you've downloaded for offline reading. If you're okay with that, here's how you can do it. From your phone's home screen, press and hold on the Google Play Books app icon. A small menu will appear. Tap on App Info. Inside the App Info page, select Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache, followed by Clear Storage. When prompted to confirm that you want to delete app data, tap OK. After doing this, reopen your Google Play Books app. Now, if you tap on the search box again, you'll notice your history is gone because all local data was cleared. However, if you check your library, you'll see that any books previously downloaded for offline use will have been removed. You can easily download them again, one by one, from your library, and that's how you can successfully delete your history in Google Play Books.